What's the
please
traffic
call
in
my
Milan right
sister?
now?
Did you get everything of what we just said? Let's try again.
Can
What's
you
the
please
traffic
call
in
my
Milan right
sister?
now?
It's pretty hard, huh? There is a lot going on. Road noise, air conditioning, car engine, and most of all, we're talking at the same time. There's no magic trick, you only need the right technology, like this one.
Can
What's
you
the
please
traffic
call
in
my
Milan right
sister?
now?
What
Play a
time is it
relaxing
in
playlist.
Japan?
Tell me
Add
the
chocolate
fastest
ice
way
cream
to
to my
Florence.
grocery list.
You've just experienced what our solution can do with simultaneous voices in a noisy environment. If you want to achieve the same result with only 2 microphones, we have the right, reliable technology for you. Get in touch with us or visit bdsound.com.